Welcome back to Crucial Minds. In this video, we are going to learn the 4 types of present tense in a simple and easy way with rules and examples. Let's get started. There are 4 types of present tense. They are as follows. First is the simple present tense. It is used to express habitual actions and general truths. For example, I watch movies. Next is the present continuous tense. It is used to express an action happening right now. For example, I am watching a movie. Then comes the present perfect tense. It is used to express an action completed with a connection to the present. For example, I have watched the movie already. Finally, we have the present perfect continuous tense. It is used to express an action that started in the past and is still continuing in the present. For example, I have been watching the movie for 2 hours. Now, let's start with simple present tense. Question number 1, she dash to school every day. She goes to school every day. Question number 2, they dash cricket on Sundays. They play cricket on Sundays. Question number 3, he always dash his homework before dinner. He always finishes his homework before dinner. Question number 4, my father dash coffee every morning. My father drinks coffee every morning. Question number 5, the sun dash in the east. The sun rises in the east. Next, let's move to present continuous tense. Question number 1, I dash a movie right now. I am watching a movie right now. Question number 2, she dash dinner in the kitchen. She is cooking dinner in the kitchen. Question number 3, they dash football outside. They are playing football outside. Question number 4, he dash for his exam at the moment. He is studying for his exam at the moment. Question number 5, we dash to music now. We are listening to music now. Next, let's learn present perfect tense. Question number 1, I dash my homework already. I have finished my homework already. Question number 2, she dash the movie before. She has seen the movie before. Question number 3, they dash to Chennai many times. They have visited Chennai many times. Question number 4, he dash his lunch already. He has eaten his lunch already. Question number 5, we dash the project successfully. We have completed the project successfully. Finally, let's move to present perfect continuous tense. Question number 1, I dash for 2 hours. I have been studying for 2 hours. Question number 2, he dash since morning. He has been working since morning. Question number 3, they dash cricket all day. They have been playing cricket all day. Question number 4, he dash TV for an hour. He has been watching TV for an hour. Question number 5, we dash here since 5 p.m. We have been waiting here since 5 p.m. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.